Hey guys, this is Tushar from Gossipfana, and in this video we are going to see Instagram unknown network error. So if you are facing this problem, our first solution should be to restart the phone or just to wait it out and try to change the network, like shifting to another Wi-Fi network or turning the mobile data off and on again. But if the problem still persists, then we have a number of solutions for you. Open your settings and head over to apps and notifications. Now search for Instagram and open storage and cache. Now simply tap on clear storage and clear cache. Once you have completed the steps, simply restart the Instagram. Now second solution is for checking the date and time. It may happen that you are using an old device which is out of sync for date and time, or you are traveling abroad in a different time zone. So in this case, time and date can change and go out of sync. Now to change date and time, simply head over to settings and click on system. Once open, click on date and time. Now simply change the date and time of your phone. You can also try to update the app. Maybe Instagram rolled out an update. To do so, simply open the Play Store and search for Instagram. If the update is available, it should be shown. Now there is another setting that we can try. Simply open your settings and head over to Wi-Fi and Internet. Now tap on SIM and Network. Select the SIM which you are using right now and tap on it. Now scroll down to find access point names and then click on reset. But in case none of the steps is working for you, then simply reinstall the app. You can do so by simply uninstalling the app from your phone and installing it from Play Store. So this was the tutorial guys. Put any query in the comment section below, and for more such articles check out our page, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.